Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing data handling chapter. So today our topic is drawing of double bar graph. You all know how to draw bar graph, but here we will learn how to draw bar graph, double bar graph. Okay. So what is the purpose to draw double bar graph? बच्चे from double bar graph we can visualize the comparison between two things. Okay, comparison between maximum and minimum temperature, comparison between sale in 2 years, comparison between marks in two terms. Okay, so where we want to see the comparison, there we use double bar graph. So let's take example. So draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale. Okay, so this data is given. Data is marks of two terms in different subjects. Okay, marks of two terms in different subjects. So let's draw. Rules are same. Okay, so first we will draw one vertical line, one horizontal line. We will first label it. On this side we will take subjects and on this side we will take marks obtained. Okay, so I have chosen one scale that 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. 1 unit means this one unit. So you can take scale of 5 difference of 5 marks also. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, because I have seen here that maximum marks 95. So I have drawn here, I have marked here till 100. Okay, so here also of 1 centimeter I have marked the points. So these are very important points to be noted, that distance between the scale, distance between the bars should be same. Okay, and scale always starts from 0. So let's start. So first subject is English. In English he got 67 in first term and in second term he got 70. So according to the scale you know how to mark the bars. So you will draw both these bars together without any distance. Okay, because this is of this these two bars are representing one subject. So we will not leave any space in between these two bars. Similarly, in Hindi, he got 72 in first term and 65 in second term. So similarly, I'll draw all the bars. Okay. Now, how we can visualize this double bar graph? See, from bars you can see where he has improved and where he has gone down. Okay, like this first term bar is smaller than second term bar, so it means here is improvement. In this second bar is smaller than first one, so it means here he has gone down. In Hindi, in maths he has improved, in science he has improved, and in SST also he has improved. So from double bar graph you can compare the performance of first term and second term. Okay, so these points are very important to write down. First is scale. Okay, how much scale you are using. Second is recognition of these bars, like unshaded I have taken as first term and shaded bars I have taken for second term. So I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.